The VA loan is a little bit more complex, I would say, versus RD or USDA.
Well, you have to be a veteran first off, so that makes it a little bit more complex.
You have to serve the country, and you have to, have your time and qualify for it. Can't be dishonorably discharged. It's got to be a legitimate discharge. You have to have your DD-214 paperwork,
or be active.
Or be active, true.
Yeah.
So, any of you guys that are military, you obviously understand what the DD-214 is. But, from there, the VA loan is much more accommodated. But, yeah, the VA loan, 100% financing, the overall structure between VA and RD or Rural Development, USDA, how you want to tag it, is really just the mortgage insurance and the monthly payment, because you still have an upfront funding fee on both loans, correct?
Correct.
You have no mortgage insurance with VA, whereas with USDA you have a slightly, I don't want to jump over to FHA or anything like that, but you have a small mortgage insurance.
It's very small.
Yeah.
It's lower than a 780 credit score borrower with a minimum down payment. Yeah.
If you're even contemplating or thinking about buying or selling, you need to reach out to one of us and any of our show partners about listing or buying a home, because you can get 0% down, you can get 3% down, 3.5% down. The whole stigma that you have to have 20% down is just only to really get rid of mortgage insurance with a conventional loan.
Right.
And a lot of times people, especially for the military people that are transferred around, or even salespeople that are transferred around, or people that are on contract work, it doesn't make sense for them to go out and get a 30-year fixed mortgage, because they're never going to be in the house for more than 3, 4, 5 years. But the stigma of doing, and the bad rapport that ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages, have, people just associate that with horror, which, if it's not used right, absolutely, it could be a horror story. But why do you want to go out and pay for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage if you can get a cheaper mortgage for the appropriate time that you're actually living in the property?
Right. And we're not that far removed from all this financial crisis we went through.
No.
But people still think that an ARM has a prepay penalty.
Yeah.
And so right away they're like,
Exactly.
It's not Frankenstein. It's okay. There's a reason why they still have the program, because a lot of people still need that.